5-0-8. Gumba, that is your second personal foul. First team foul, Alsa Paso. Bonus throw to De La Cruz, number 5. Perfect 3 points for Mr. De La Cruz. And now the Ganya pass to Arcadon. Arcadon looking for his teammate. Arcadon in the shot and a pushing foul by number 11. De La Peña, that is your first personal foul. And first team foul TSB. 10! 2 points. Total 2 points. Very good. And unscored. Number 5, De La Cruz.